How to use Photos app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your iPhone. Once inside, by default you will be in the Library tab, and here, you can view all the photos and videos. Now, go to the Collections tab, which is the main hub for navigating your library. From here, you can browse through various sections like Pinned, Albums, and People. Tap on Pin to view your pinned albums. You can see all the pinned albums displayed here. Now, go back and tap on Albums. Here, you can see different albumed photos. You can also add your travel photos to the Trips section. Scroll down and tap on the Media Type section. Here, you can view your media organized by categories like videos, selfies, portraits, and more. Then, go back again and tap on the Utilities section. It includes useful folders such as favorites, hidden, duplicates, and recently deleted and more. Navigating back lets you explore other useful categories. Following these steps, you can easily use Photo app on an iPhone.